This is a summary of the food studies topic, health and energy, diet and disease. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content from this course topic. A poor diet increases the risk of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Type 1 diabetes requires insulin, while type 2 can be managed with diet and exercise. Eating high-fiber foods can help prevent diverticulitis and improve digestive health. Osteoporosis weakens bones, but a healthy diet, exercise, and sufficient sunlight can help maintain bone health. Vitamin D supplements are helpful for some people in winter. Iron deficiency anemia can be caused by a lack of iron-rich foods, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Anemia can also occur during pregnancy because of the demands of the developing baby. Coronary heart disease, caused by fatty buildup in arteries, can be reduced by exercise and a healthy diet. The Western diet's excessive salt, saturated fat, sugar, and low fiber intake contribute to various health problems. Poor diet can lead to malnutrition, deficiency diseases, constipation, tooth decay, and anemia. Malnutrition can result from both undernutrition and overnutrition, affecting people in both developed and developing countries.